Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or any other writing assistants, you know how powerful they can be. But here's the secret. The power of these tools is harnessed by the quality of the input they receive. And that input, that's what we call a prompt. Prompts are your way of communicating with the AI. It's like giving a specific task or direction to a person, but in this case, it's an AI. The better your instructions, the better the AI's response. Think of it as the fuel that drives the AI engine. The better the fuel, the smoother the ride. Now you might ask, why are prompts so important? Prompts are the starting point of any AI output. They set the stage for what the AI will produce. A well-crafted prompt can be the difference between a vague, generic output and a precise, detailed response. It's all about setting clear expectations for your AI tool. Consider this, you wouldn't start a journey without a clear destination, would you? The same principle applies to AI writing tools. Without a clear and specific prompt, the AI might take you on a wild goose chase, producing outputs that are far from what you intended. With the growing popularity of AI writing tools, knowing how to craft effective prompts is becoming an essential skill. Whether you're a student writing an essay, a content creator brainstorming blog topics, or a developer generating code, understanding the art of designing prompts can make your AI tool more powerful and efficient. Prompts are not just about asking the AI to do something. They're about guiding it to produce the best possible output. They're about communicating your needs clearly and effectively. And most importantly, they're about unlocking the full potential of your AI tool. First things first, what exactly is a prompt? In the world of AI, a prompt is essentially a command or question you give to an AI tool. It's your way of communicating, of giving a task or direction. You could say it's a bit like asking a friend for help. The more specific and clear you are, the better the assistance you'll receive. For instance, a simple prompt might be, write a blog post about staying productive while working from home. The AI then takes this instruction, processes it, and generates a response. The crucial point to remember here is that the quality of the AI's output is directly linked to how clear and specific your instructions are. So always take a moment to refine your prompt. The AI will respond based on how clear and specific you are with your instructions. So why does the quality of your prompt matter? Well, the answer lies in the magic of specificity. A vague or generic prompt can leave an AI tool grasping for context, resulting in a response that may not meet your needs. Let's visualize this with a couple of examples. Suppose you ask an AI, tell me about productivity. The AI might churn out a generic essay on productivity tips, but it's not exactly what you're after. Now imagine if you instead ask, give me 5 tips on how to stay productive while working remotely, focusing on time management and avoiding distractions. In this case, the AI has a clear, specific task, and it's likely to generate a response that's spot on. So, the lesson here? Specific prompts lead to specific actionable answers. Remember, quality prompts are the secret to unlocking the full potential of your AI writing tool. Now, let's talk about the 3 key tips you need to write effective prompts. Tip number 1, be clear and specific. The first rule of thumb when crafting your prompts is to be as clear and specific as possible. Think of it this way. Ambiguity is the enemy of precision. If your prompt is vague, the AI's response is likely to be equally vague. The more detailed your instruction, the better the AI can understand your intent. So instead of saying something like, explain AI, be more explicit. A better version could be, explain how AI is used in healthcare to analyze medical data. This gives the AI more context to work with and results in a more focused response. Tip number 2, ask for a specific format. If you have a particular format you want your response in, don't shy away from asking for it. Whether you need a list, a blog post, an essay, or even bullet points, make sure to specify. For example, if you need 3 bullet points on the benefits of remote work, your prompt could be, give me 3 bullet points on the benefits of remote work. This helps the AI understand how to structure its output, which will ultimately save you time on editing and formatting. Tip number 3, provide context or examples. Sometimes, even with a specific and clear prompt, the AI might not fully grasp the tone or style you're aiming for. In such cases, providing an example or context can be incredibly helpful. For instance, if you want an email pitch for a tech company offering AI solutions, you could say, write an email pitch for a tech company offering AI solutions. Use a professional tone. By specifying the tone, you guide the AI's response to match your desired style more closely. The AI will adjust based on the style or tone you specify. Remember, these tips are not set in stone. The effectiveness of your prompts will also depend on the specific AI tool you're using. Different tools have different strengths and limitations, so it's essential to experiment and see what works best for you. But overall, these 3 tips, being clear and specific, asking for a specific format, and providing context or examples, should greatly improve the quality of your AI-generated content. So the next time you sit down to draft a prompt, remember these tips. Be clear, be specific, ask for what you want, and provide context where needed. Doing so will not only make your AI tool more useful, but it will also save you time and effort in the long run. And remember, like any skill, writing effective prompts comes with practice. So don't be discouraged if your first few attempts don't yield perfect results. Keep refining, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep learning. The AI will adjust based on the style or tone you specify. Before we wrap up, let me quickly go over a few common mistakes to avoid. First up, the vagueness trap. You might think you're being open-ended, but in reality, you're just confusing the AI. Remember, being specific is your best bet. The clearer your instructions, the more accurate the response. Next, the prompt overload. It's like asking someone to juggle while riding a unicycle. It's just too much at once. Keep your prompts focused and to the point. One topic at a time, please. Lastly, skipping the desired outcome. It's like sending someone on a scavenger hunt but forgetting to mention what they're supposed to find. Are you looking for a list, a paragraph, an essay? Make sure to tell the AI exactly what you want. Always tell the AI what type of response you want, whether it's a list, a paragraph, or something else. Now you know how to design effective prompts to get the most out of your AI writing tools. Let's recap what we've covered today. We began by understanding what a prompt is. It's essentially your way of communicating with the AI, giving it specific tasks or directions. We learned that the quality of your prompt significantly influences the quality of the AI's response. A vague prompt will lead to a general response, while a detailed prompt will give you a more specific, actionable answer. Then we focused on 3 key tips for writing effective prompts. First, being clear and specific. The more detailed your request, the better the AI can understand your intent. Second, if you need a specific format for your response, ask for it. This helps the AI know exactly how to structure its output. And lastly, provide context or examples if needed. This helps the AI understand the tone or style you're aiming for. We also discussed some common mistakes to avoid when writing prompts. Don't be vague or overload your prompt with too many requests. Always specify the type of response you want from the AI. These tips and strategies can make a world of difference in the output you receive from your AI writing tools. The next time you're crafting a prompt for ChatGPT, Jasper, or any other AI writing tool, remember to be clear, specific, and provide as much context as you can. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We're always coming up with more content on AI and other exciting technologies. And we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know what kinds of prompts you're working on, or if you have any questions about today's video. Remember, the future of writing is here, and it's powered by AI. With the right prompts, you can harness this power to generate insightful, creative, and valuable content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.